Hey lovelies, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful hairstyle using QVR Hair. They sent me 5 packs of this hair, okay, in 20 inches, and the color is S35D. It's a reddish brown color, okay, and you can see it's from QVR and it came with a crochet pin in it. I'm going ahead to unravel this hair. I like the ombre effect that this hair actually gives. Okay, it has this reddish brownish color mixed together and it's super beautiful. Okay, and one thing I love about this hair I'm touching right now is that it doesn't shed like other hairs that I have used. Okay, it is true to its length and it's super gorgeous. Okay, so this is how long this hair is. You can see it's true to its length. Okay, so I'm going ahead to section my hair into the size that I want to braid, and then I will go ahead and start braiding. Hey guys, at this point I would like to encourage you and to plead with you, please ignore my nails. Okay, my nails have been through so much in one day. Okay guys, please just ignore the nails. Alright guys, I know a lot of people have been braiding twists with this kinky bulk all over the place. Twist is all over the place. I just decided to try something quite different. Okay, I decided to do knotless braids, the normal braids you and I know. Okay, but then because the back of my hair is very fragile and it's not long enough, I didn't want to start the knotless with it. I had to use the hair to start the braids for a more firm hold. Okay, but this is the normal braids that you know how to do. You can go ahead and do this. I wanted to try to see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so I'm gonna braid up till this length and then I'm gonna tie it, right? And this is what we have. And guys, this is how far I've come with the braids. And at this point I was really exhausted, guys. I was really tired. I had to take a chill pill. Okay, but I'm showing you guys what this hair really looked like. It's super beautiful. You can see that color is, there's this brown color that is not so loud, that is just popping out, and I love it. I love how it looks like an afro hair at the end there. And I told you guys I was so tired and my girls were really busy at the shop. I didn't want to bother them. That was why I was braiding my hair. So at this point I was tired. I told them to please come and finish up the hair for me so that I can edit this video and get it done with. Okay, and yeah, you can see them feeding in braids and doing the knotless braids like I told you. Okay lovelies, before I forget, the link to this hair is going to be in the description box down below. For those of you asking me how you can get QVR hair link, the link is in the description box down below, and there's a code for you to use because they are having their clearance sales. It means that you can get this hair at a cheaper rate. Okay guys, this is how far your girl has come. Okay, so this is our hair and this is how it turned out. All right, at this point I didn't know whether to leave it as an afro hair and always hold pony. Okay, I also didn't know what I wanted to do with this hair at this point. All right, but I had to just put this hair into a pony to see if I would like it, to really see what it's gonna look like if I hold it up as a pony. Okay, and I wasn't so sure what I wanted. To be very honest with you, I wasn't so sure what I wanted. So I had to just hold the hair into a pony there. And when I held this hair into a pony, the hair was extremely beautiful. Okay, I loved the pony look and I wanted to see it like this because the moment I do something else, it will not be like this anymore. But I was like, nah, I'm not sure I want to handle that. I want to always have pony. I want a versatile hairstyle. And I went ahead to use leave-in conditioner and water mixed together to wet the hair and to define the curls very well. Okay, so that's me making the hair very wet, and I'm combing through with my hands. Guys, you see what I told you about this hair not shedding? This hair did not shed. I was so amazed. this hair did not shed at all. I decided to comb, okay, and nothing was coming out from the comb. Like, the hair did not shed, and I love that fact that this hair did not shed at all. So this is me defining the coils, and you can see what this coils looks like, okay, even when I wasn't even done doing it. And when I finished, I had to trim the hair when I finished. Okay, I had to take out the tips out there, and voila! Oh my gorgeousness, guys. I love this hair. I love how it feels. I like how full it is. And this is all 5 packs. I made sure everything entered into these braids. Like, guys, look at how beautiful. It's not only twist that is beautiful. Oh, look at this mini braids. Can you see your girl? And I styled this hair differently. Like, guys, this hair is beautiful. Don't forget that the link to this hair is going to be in the description box down below, and there's a code for you to use to purchase yours and slay like this. A lot of people keep asking me, how do I get QVR hair link? The time is now. It's going to be in the description box down below. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section down below. I love you so much, my babies, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you, and I'm praying for you. Bye.